Today in this video, we will learn about how to create an email account in cPanel and manage it. Log into your cPanel and then go to Email Accounts. Enter the email ID that you would like to create and then enter password and then click on Create Account. Email account is successfully created now. You can access these emails by clicking on More button and then going to Access Webmail. You can make Roundcube as your default webmail. Now you can manage it via this panel as shown in the screen.